Okay, good day, ma'am and sir. So today I will show it to you how to create your account in our new learning management system. So first, open your browser, then just type this one in your address lms.asat-tisda.net. So you will be directed in this page. Then after that, you will see in the upper right the word login. So just click this one, then you will be directed to the login page. So login page, username and password. Since we don't have yet an account, we're going to create account by clicking this create new account. So by creating your account, you have to select your username. So I recommend using username, the first name as your name and the last name as your uh, the second is your last name. So example for me, my name is uh, Jesus dot magtanggol. So the first name and the last name. Your first name and your last name. So password, now you have to be careful with this one because it will not be accepted if you didn't follow the procedure. So your password must have at least 8 characters, have one digit, at least one lowercase, and one uppercase, and one special character. So example, it says that one digit, so you can write one digit, and also one lowercase, so you can write uh, J, and also you can write one uppercase. You can use like that one. Then the last one is one special character. You can use an asterisk, an underscore, or pound. Okay, so for me, since your name is Jesus, for example, uh, you can use Jesus. Then you can use the asterisk, then magtanggol. That one. So very simple. You can also customize. Like you can use the number 7. So as long as it will be 8 characters. So just copy and put this in one. Your email address, no? I have created a dummy email address which is pagbibigayan at gmail.com. By the way, I have restricted this kind website. No, I restricted this one that only Gmail, only email address that has a domain of gmail.com will be accepted. So I will not recommend you to use Hotmail or any kind of email address domain o subdomain. No? Ako na-sit na ko na siya nga gmail.com lang ang iyahang dawaton. Then again, by the way, your email should be an existing email because this kind of email will be used in case that you forget your password. No? Diri mo email si LMS sa imuha. No, ini gusto ka mag-reset sa imong password. Just like the Facebook, no, pag makalimot ka sa imong password, ihatag nimo imong email tapos mo email din si Facebook kanto sa pag-recover imong account. So dili maghimo-himo lang og email diri, it should be existing, no, because and legit na kanang pwede nimo siya ma-access because this will be used if you forgot your password. Then Jesus Magtanggol. Your city, example, you are from Prosperidad, and your country is Philippines. Click this one, Philippines. Then click create my new account. Okay, so you can see notification there as at e-learning portal. An email should have been sent to your address at pagbibigyan@gmail.com. It contains easy instructions to complete your registration. If you continue to have difficulty, contact the site administrator. So we are not going now to expect that we receive an email from LMS in your email pagbibigyan@gmail.com. So you have to wala pa ka na register, no, kay need pa nga to i-confirm, no, kung existing bagay niya siya nga email or legit jud ka nga tao nga ni email diri. So just simply click continue. So mobalik ka diha, no, wala pa na. Then you are going now to visit your email. So ako nang gi-open daan akong email diri, and mo ni ang ato ang nakita nga email niya, no, mo ni ang gikan sa LMS. So ato na siyang i-click. Kung wala pa kaabot ninyo, when you open your email din wala pa siya ni abot the email from LMS or from Asat LMS, ato lang siyang i-refresh no kung wala pa, and wait for a while kay unsahay is madili na siya og abot. So ato na i-click siya, then you can see admin user via is iasat no reply. Hi Jesus, to katong gamit yung mga pangalan. Welcome to Augustine Resource School of Arts and Trades, ASAT. A new account has been requested at ASAT e-learning portal using your email address. ASAT is at TISDA, then siya no. Tapos to confirm your new account, please click the link below. Ato na siyang i-click, or kung di mo gana ni nga click, pwede mo ato na siyang i-copy and paste to the browser. But this time naka-blue naman siya. We can directly click this one. So pag na-click at okay, so we are now confirm ang atong registration nato. So we can click now continue, and at the same time naka-login na po din ta dito no. So kasi naka-login na ta sa portal. Click continue, then dayon ta sa dashboard na siya murag mag-tour ka dire kung saan paggamit no. So you can use this one no para ma-explore aron dili mo walay problema diri bahalang magtuplok mo bisan asa diri, you are free no, di na siya madaot, di na siya maguba na nga site no. Okay, so ang una na katong makita diri ang mga diploma courses which we have. If you are going to click this one, makita nato nang gipanghimo ni Ma'am Ira May no, kana siya. So later on I will show you also how to make this kind of exam no, or I mean these courses no. Atong i-click siya no, wala pa man siya sulod, but we'll have another session pohon if magkita ata kung saan paghimoing ani. But my plan is for the next session, my next video na ako is kung saan pag-enroll sa inyo mga estudyante sa una no. Pero before mag-enroll yung mga estudyante, pinaka-importante sa tanan niya ato sa ning mahimo ang inyong mga course, mag-create tag inyong mga course no kanay ka Ma'am Mani, and later on na po din inyong mga pangan nga kanang nakabutang diri ka inyohan namong pangalan din inyohan namong picture ni. So atong mga next. So as for now, kato lang siguro pag-create sa account no, and if you have created your account, you can hover this one, then click the profile. Kana imong profile, i-click nimo, and diri na dayon ta karon makaingon niya. Mura gud gihapon para sa Facebook account, maghimog Facebook no, you can click the edit profile. Kung na kay gusto utuhon sa imong mga nasuwat no, then pwede din ka maka-upload og profile picture nimo no, katong professional pod no, kanang formal nga profile picture kay mamo ni makita sa atong mga estudyante noon pohon pag mag-login na kapag na kay course. You can use picture description, you can use additional name no. Although these are optional, but pwede nga magbutang ka ani no. And also your students pod pohon maghimo usab sila kingani. Okay. So mag-click po tagpuan na may nakabutang ninyo kan also no kating picture diri. Pag once maka-upload din picture ninyo diri, kaning picture diri makita na po dai no. Let us try this one, then upload a file. Makita tag picture ninyo no. So I think makita ta diri sa ako mga picture ba diri. Kaning example ako maning mga kanay kay gwapo. Okay, so butang ato diha, upload this file. Tapos atong i-update profile, then makita na dayon. Makita na atong naong diha niya. So I think this for now no, how to create your account, then customizing and putting your profile picture. Thank you for listening and hope to see you soon. Bye bye. God bless everyone.